Welcome to Primary ypww Lesson 3 Bible Study. I do not own the rights to this music. The topic is Sibling Series, Isaac and Ishmael. The lesson scripture is coming out of Genesis chapter 16, verses 11 through 12, then verses 15 through 16, Genesis chapter 17, verses 18 through 21, and Genesis chapter 21, verses 1 through 5. This is the reading for Genesis chapter 21, verses 1 through 5, the King James Version, the Amplified Version, and the New Living Translation. And the Lord visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did unto Sarah as he had spoken. For Sarah conceived and bare Abraham a son in his old age, at the set time of which God had spoken to him. And Abraham called the name of his son that was born unto him, whom Sarah bare to him, Isaac. And Abraham circumcised his son Isaac, being 8 days old, as God had commanded him. And Abraham was 100 years old when his son Isaac was born unto him. The Amplified Version. The Lord graciously remembered and visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did for her as he had promised. So Sarah conceived and gave birth to a son for Abraham in his old age, at the appointed time of which God had spoken to him. Abraham named his son Isaac. Laughter. The son to whom Sarah gave birth. So Abraham circumcised his son Isaac when he was 8 days old, just as God had commanded him. Abraham was 100 years old when his son Isaac was born. The New Living Translation. The Lord kept his word and did for Sarah exactly what he had promised. She became pregnant and she gave birth to a son for Abraham in his old age. This happened at just the time God had said it would, and Abraham named their son Isaac. 8 days after Isaac was born, Abraham circumcised him as God had commanded. Abraham was 100 years old when Isaac was born. The end. God bless you and thank you for joining me today.